While this rider was being stopped for what started as a routine traffic violation,
sit down, dude.
Every decision after that pushed the situation one step closer to disaster.
The plate is 26 Foxtrot 7064. You okay?
Yes, I haven't been drinking all fully sober. I'm just trying to stay safe. People will listen to me all day, sir.
At this point, nothing physical had happened yet. The officer wanted the rider to sit down before figuring out what happened.
Okay, you want to come over here and just take a seat right here?
No, I don't want to see you.
Okay,
Right
just,
there.
I'm telling you, take a seat right here. Come here.
I don't care if you're telling me what you're telling me to do.
26, I'll take a kill one. Sit down, dude. Stop. Come here. Get off the bike.
No.
Sit down.
No.
This was the first moment where the conversation stopped moving forward.
Sit down, dude. Come
sit
here.
down. I don't want to sit down or come here. No.
26, he's uncooperative. Come here, dude. Sit down. Don't get back on your bike. Don't get back on your bike. Sit down.
I'm tired of you guys harassing me,
Dude, you ran a red light. Just sit down and we'll figure it out, okay? Salgil, what's your name? What's your name?
Here, I'll show you my ID. I'm here. Don't shoot me.
Whether he meant it as reassurance or fear, that sentence instantly changed the tone of the stop.
I'm not gonna shoot you. Don't reach for shit. How about that? Sit down, dude. We'll figure it out.
I don't want to sit down.
Okay, well, you're gonna sit down.
No, I don't want to sit down.
You're being detained right now. You're not free to leave. You're not free to get back on your bike. You're gonna sit down for me.
And now, the stop wasn't really about the traffic violation anymore. It had become about gaining control of the situation.
I have an ID. Can I get my ID?
No, just sit down over here.
I don't want to sit down over there. I don't have an ID.
Okay,
I don't want to
sit down, dude.
No.
You ran the red light. You're
No.
pissing yourself.
No. I don't want to sit down over there.
26, just having to step it up.
This is often the moment when verbal commands give way to physical action. Once both sides were physically engaged, every second carried a much higher risk.
Stop it!
A simple violation ended with a taser and a shot. Who is truly to blame here? The cop pushing his authority, or the biker refusing to comply? Ride safe